Today is the day. Our family trip to Brazil starts right now.
I'm so excited. I cannot wait one more second.
We need to be at the airport in 30 minutes. Everyone okay back there?
Can I please sleep on the plane, Mom? I am so tired.
Look at this place. We are actually at the airport. This is really happening. I can see the airplanes. They are so big.
Bigger than our whole house.
Good morning. Welcome. Where are you traveling to today?
We are flying to Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Here are all 4 of our passports.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Please remove your shoes and place them in the gray tray before walking through.
Okay, no problem. Honestly, this part is kind of fun.
Dad, this book says Brazil has the biggest rainforest in the entire world. The whole world.
That is exactly right, Sophie. And in 3 days, we are going to see it with our own eyes. Here we are, row 22. Seats A, B, C, and D. This is us.
Perfect. Jake, you take the window seat on the left. Sophie, you sit next to Dad in the middle. I will take the aisle.
Mom, I can see the guys in the orange jackets outside. They are driving little yellow cars under the plane.
I already fastened my seatbelt all by myself. I am completely ready for this flight.
We are going up! I can actually see the ground getting smaller and smaller below us.
I am a little bit scared, but also actually very excited at the same time.
Look at those clouds down there, Jake. We are flying above them. We are higher than the clouds right now.
Dad, this book says that Rio de Janeiro is one of the most beautiful cities in the entire world.
Here is your meal. I hope you enjoy it. We have about 6 more hours to Brazil.
Ooh, what is inside? It smells so amazing. I cannot wait to eat it. Look at all those stars, Parrot. We are flying through the middle of the night sky right now. Brazil is waiting for us down below somewhere. We will be there very soon. Mom! Dad, wake up right now. I can see Brazil everywhere. So much green.
We made it. After 10 hours in the air, we are almost there. Look at it, kids. This is Brazil. After 10 hours in the air, the Johnson family has finally arrived in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, South America.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look how sunny it is. Look how beautiful everything is here.
There it is! I can see our red suitcase right now. It is the red one coming out. Get it!
Get it, Jake. Go. Grab it before it goes all the way down again.
Wow, it is so hot here, like standing in an oven.
But a really nice warm oven.
It feels completely different from home.
I lost.
I already love Brazil so much.
Welcome to Rio de Janeiro. This is the most beautiful city in the world. We call it the Marvelous City.
Look at those colorful houses all the way up the hill. How do people walk up there every day? That is incredible.
Mark, this is absolutely beautiful. Look at all these incredible flowers everywhere. I feel like I am in a...
Please.
All right, Sophie, just be careful.
This is our room for the whole week, and this bed, it is the softest thing I have ever felt, and I can see this to our wife.
Yeah, I've never seen anything so blue in my life.
This is Copacabana Beach, one of the most famous and beautiful beaches in the entire world.
And we are right here on it. The water is so warm, look.
The water is so warm. It actually feels like a warm bath.
I love Brazil. I jumped over the whole wave. Did you see that? I jumped over it. Yeah! This pineapple juice is the most delicious cold drink I have ever.
Nothing that makes this wine taste like this.
When this cheesy bread, it's so this name so I can have it every day. We are going up the side of a mountain on a tiny train. We are really high already. This is so incredibly cool.
I can see it too. Look at me. I am doing the same pose as a statue. Hello, everyone. I am Sophie the Redeemer.
Look down there. Look at Rio. Oh, it is absolutely incredible.
In all my life, I have never stood anywhere and seen anything so beautiful as this view right here.
I know. So we can always travel as a family.
This is the edge of the Amazon rainforest. It is the largest tropical rainforest on Earth.
And is there anything alive in the water under this dock right now?
Its wings are as wide as your side by side.
We are walking at the very top of the rainforest. Look how incredibly high we are. I can see all the treetops from above.
Do not look down, Lisa. Look down. Oh no, I looked down.
Oh, wow. It is the most beautiful and enormous bird I have ever seen close up. Is it friendly?
It's exact like Big High Peril, and it is
Touch your toy.
I cannot.
This is the Amazon River dolphin, Balto. It lives only in really is pink. It is peas It is pink. I genuinely did not know that pink dolphins were a real animal that actually existed on Earth.
What is this yellow powder stuff exactly? I have never seen food that looks like this before. What is it made of?
It is one of the most aromatic sala Brazil. Please just try it. Listen, just listen to all the birds waking up together. Every single animal in this forest is starting its day right now.
This is the most beautiful morning. Nothing will ever be this beautiful again.
These buildings were built in the 1500s. They are over 500 years old. You still are.
I want to buy one of everything here. Every single thing on this table. Everything.
This is Samba de Roda from Bahia. It is one of the oldest musical traditions in all of Brazil. Try to clap with me. Feel the beat. I've been trying to find it, but my hands are completely wrong.
This this uses my down. This cool fresh slice works tasty like anything I have tasted before.
Why do we not have this at home? I cannot terminar. There's 2 words. It is just 2 words.
The water! It goes over here on my face. And it is cold and burnt six. There is a rainbow and it is ending right there on the path. I'm going to roll the batches.
We are completely soaking wet, and I absolutely love every single second of this.
Dad, look straight down. You can actually see all the water falling at the same time into the bottom.
I just feel this through my body. Why do my feet through my whole body?
Everyone stop walking right now. Be completely quiet. There's a wild animal on the path. Do not move.
What is it? It looks like a raccoon, but with a much longer nose. What is that animal called? Is it dangerous?
Look at that sky. In all my years, this has been the most extraordinary trip of our family's entire life.
We are so lucky. Our 2 children will carry these memories inside them for the rest of their lives.
I am writing everything down so I do not forget one single moment of this trip. Every detail, every animal, every place, every feeling.
I am going to eat absolutely everything on this table. It is our very last Brazilian breakfast, and
I am eating mine very first slowly. If I eat enough, and the last morning will not end.
Brazil will be your home now, always. Every time you remember this trip, you will come back here in your heart.
Thank you, Carlos.
You should have started the best friend in the whole world.
I really do not want to leave this country. I genuinely do not want to go home. Not yet. Not today.
I know, son. I feel it too. But we take Brazil home inside us, right here. Jake, when did you learn to draw like this? This looks exactly like the waterfall. I had no idea you could do this.
Mom, look at this one. Look how happy I am in this photo. Look at all of us.
This trip changed something inside me. I know, I do, I did. When I am older. And I will go alone, and it will be different but still the same.
We are home. The house is exactly as we left it. Some things do not change while you are away. But we changed, didn't we, Dad? We are definitely not the same people who left from here.
Good night, Brazil. Thank you for the butterfly, and the dolphin, and the rainbow, and everything.
I will come back one day. I promise.
Look at us here on the very first day. We are standing at the airport. We had absolutely no idea what was waiting for us.
And now look at all that journey. But we understand so much more about this world than we did before. If you ever have the chance to go to Brazil, please go. It will change everything about how you see the world.
We will go back. We will definitely go back.